Hello, dear students. Our lesson today is about circle equation. First, to find circle equation, we must have the coordinates of the center of the circle and the radius of the circle. We must have the coordinates of the center of the circle and the length of the radius of the circle to find the equation of the circle. The standard formula of circle equation is x minus h all squared plus y minus k all squared equal r squared, where h and k is the coordinates of the center of the circle. H is the x coordinate and k is the y coordinate, and r is the length of the radius. Let's take this question. Question 1. Find the equation of the circle in figure 1. This is the circle in figure 1. This is the circle. Look here for the circle. We see the center, the coordinates of the center. The center is a point. And the coordinates of this point is 1, 3. X coordinate 1 and y coordinate 3. We call x coordinate h equal 1, and call y coordinate k is equal 3. And this is the radius, the line segment from the center to the circumference of the circle is the radius, r equal 4. We find the center coordinates and the radius, so we can find the standard formula of the circle equation. We put x minus h and substitute h by the number 1, x minus 1 all squared, plus y minus, what is the value of k? The value of k is 3 squared. Then r squared, we substitute the value of the radius instead of r. The value of the radius here is 4. Then the answer is 4 square. R square will be 4 square. Rewrite the equation again. X minus 1 all squared plus y minus 3 all squared equal 4 squared equal 16. 4 times 4 is 16. And this is the standard formula of circle equations. Let's take another question. Question 2. Find the equation of the circle in figure 2. This is figure 2. This circle has a center, and its coordinate is minus 1, 2. The x coordinate is minus 1. The y coordinate is 2. Let's take negative 1. We call negative 1 h in the center, and 2 we call 2 k. We have the center and a point in the circumference of the circle, but we don't have the radius. The radius is unknown. And I said that if we want to find the circle equation, we must have the center and the radius. The radius is unknown. How we can find the radius? If you notice that the radius is the line segment from the center to the circumference. It is a line segment from 2 points. The length of this line segment from between 2 points, the length of this line segment between the two points, we can get it by the length law of the line segment. What is the length law of the line segment? This is R equal under square root x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. But what is x1 and what is x2? We have 2 points, the center and a point in the circumference. Let's take the point in the center. Here we have x1 and here we have y1. The first point gives us x1 and y1, and the second point gives us x2 and y2, and we substitute these points. R equal x2 is 3 minus x1 is -1 minus -1 all squared plus y2 is 5 minus y1 is 2. Minus minus will be plus. So the answer R equal under square root 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 squared plus 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 squared. 4 squared is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. 3 squared is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. And equal the square root 16 plus 9 is 25. And the square root of 25 is 5. Here we find the radius. The radius is 5. R equal 5. So we can find the standard formula of circle equation because we have the center and the radius. Then by the standard formula of the circle, x minus h all squared plus y minus k all squared equal r squared. In the center, this is the coordinate of the center. The x coordinate is h and the y coordinate is k. So we substitute it x minus -1 all squared plus y minus 2 all squared equal r squared, and the value of r is 5. We find the value of r and it was 5. Rewrite this equation. Minus minus will be plus. When the two signs minus next to each other, we make them plus. Then the equation will be, rewrite the equation, x plus 1 all squared plus y minus 2 all squared equal 25. Write them here. X plus 1 all squared plus y minus 2 all squared equal 25. And this is the answer. If you like this lesson, please subscribe our channel. And thank you.